Hey guys, Everything Technology here, and being a video producer for well over 3 years now, I've owned a lot of tripods that are either now broken or just don't get the job done anymore. After using the Vanguard Alta Pro 263 AT and Joby Gorillapod for almost 6 months now, not only can I say these are by far the best tripods I've owned, but I can also say for their price, these offer an amazing value and in my opinion one of the most versatile tripods in the market. Let's start off with the Vanguard Alta Pro. It's made out of aluminum alloy legs which are really sturdy, and the tripod is pretty lightweight at about 4.4 pounds with a max load of 15 pounds. I've also dropped this and banged it up a couple times, but it still looks fairly new, so expect great build quality. The legs on this tripod are extremely versatile, allowing settings for 25, 50, and 80 degree angles with easy release buttons for quick setup. The biggest selling point of this tripod and the reason why I bought it is because of the versatility of the central column. You can move it from 0 to 180 degree angles and in various vertical and horizontal positions, allowing you to pull off some extremely dope shots that a typical tripod is not capable of. This is by far the best budget tripod I've seen with this feature because a lot of them that do have this range anywhere from $150 to hundreds of dollars. On top of that, the Vanguard Alta Pro can get as high as 73 inches, which is more than enough for those height required shots. As for other cool features that this tripod has, first is a bubble meter to make sure your videos or pictures are always leveled out, spiked rubber feet to increase stability when filming in grassy areas, and a removable hook for hanging camera accessories. This tripod does not include a video head, but I am currently using this cheap one that I found on Amazon, which I'll link down in the description, alongside everything I talk about in this video. Overall, I found this to work very well for my YouTube videos as well as for client work, so if you're a YouTuber or a videographer or a photographer, definitely consider this. Although I love the Vanguard Alta Pro, there's just certain shots you can't pull off with the traditional tripod, and that's where the Joby Gorillapod steps in, also known as, of course, the Casey Neistat tripod. This is the SLR model that can hold up to 6.6 pounds, however they do make other models that can hold anywhere from 11 pounds to a cell phone. Versatility and portability is where this tripod shines. It has a small profile that can easily fit in most camera bags, and is very light and easy just to carry around in terms of portability. As for versatility, on the other hand, the articulating wrappable legs and removable ball head allow you to wrap these on certain areas to pull off some incredible shots. Honestly, in my opinion, I don't know if you'll find a tripod that's both really portable and really versatile and at the same time reliable in the market that's not a Gorillapod knockoff. But if you do, please link it to me because I would love to check it out. And that's it for this video. I would love to hear what you think about either of these tripods down in the comment section. And if you recommend anything to feature on a future video, please link it. I would love to check it out. This has been Victor with another Everything Technology video. Thanks for watching. Bye.